Alrighty, finally get to fly that weird industrial park place or commercial park or whatever it is. The one at the barn. I get to fly near the Star Barn. I even got permission from somebody who probably doesn't own the place. They saw a little girl sitting at a stand over there, but she gave me permission, and that counts in some court somewhere. I bet. Totally. Yep. Totally cool. Totally fine. Yep. Very legal. So I'm running around this parking lot and flying around the big star. I'm not going to fly to that star. That looks really small, and my drone is kind of chunky. I'm going to fly around it. Whew, what a view. Oh, air conditioning units. I love me some air conditioning units. I'm going to go back to check those out in a second. Little swishy over here. Just me and that lady at that weird farmer's market stand thing. Are they really going to have a farmer's market in this place? Why on earth? I don't know. I don't know anybody does anything around here, but I do know they have a lovely parking lot. I mean, look at this place. This is so well manicured, and all these cool things to fly around. And there is nobody here but me and a one girl who probably was nervous because I walked up to her and he was like just a stranger. Hey, there she is, right there. There's a little booth. Oh, that star, you know I want to fly to the center of that. You know I do, but I won't because I just know it's too small. I know it's too small. That's it. That's as close as I'm getting. But check it out. Air conditioning units. Oh, I love air conditioning units. Okay. Back to the parking lot. A little swoop here, a little swoop there. Man, I don't even know what to do with myself. I have rarely, if ever, had this much freedom. Look at the size of this place. And I got it all to my lonesome. Well, just me and that weird girl at that stand over there. She hasn't called the cops. It's fine. Okay, flying around, still flying, checking out stuff, doing a little orbit, checking out my orbital attitude. It's not that great. All right, gee, gonna find some other places to fly to. You know what? They actually there's a lot of stuff to fly around over here. I can fly fast, but that's about all I can do. I'll do some nice little swoops around. One more lap around the outside. Okay, I'm going over there in a minute. Look at that. Ooh, sun's coming up. Little glory shot, baby. Yeah, check out that golden light. Smooth. All right, let's bring her back down. Bringing her back down to earth. Bringing her back down from heavens above. Right back down to the dirty, nitty gritty. Actually, this is a very clean parking lot. It's immaculate. Isn't this nice? You will not find too many places like this in Chico. Well, okay, it's a little dusty. That's smidge dusty. All right. Bring her home. No, other way. No, the other way. No, there you go.